G'day, this is a quick video showing people how to install Nix onto Fedora. It's actually a single command that's shown here, but I'll do a full demonstration nonetheless. Okay, so here I am sitting at my Nix OS machine. I'm going to SSH into a freshly installed Fedora. It's the latest version as of October 2025. And we can see the version of the Fedora system is 42. Here's the kernel just for reference. And I did lie slightly. It turns out with Fedora you need to turn off SE Linux. Obviously we'd strongly recommend that you configure SE Linux correctly for Nix, but just for the purposes of the demo, this is a quick way to disable. So I'm doing set enforce 0, and then I'm going to do the Nix install command, which is on the main Nix page. So there it is. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, now I'll just drop out of my SSH session and go back in so I get a new shell. There we go. So, just as an example, I'm going to run iperf2. You can see I don't have it installed. Nix shell -p iperf2. It's going to go and pull in all the dependencies for that. Okay, now I'm in a Nix shell with iperf2 version. There it is. Now it's gone. And now it's back. Boom. All right, demo complete.